PLC Network here with another unboxing. This time we have something coming from the company Renpho. This is a familiar company. They've actually developed one of our favorite foot massagers. A really cool shiatsu little foot massager. We have a few of them around the office. Yeah, stick your whole foot in there and, well, it makes you feel better. But what we have today is not a foot massager. Today is a Renpho white noise machine. So a sound machine that gives you nice, noises to soothe you and allow you to sleep. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, we're going to see what it looks like inside, see what it comes with, and maybe even see what it sounds like, and then I'll let you know what we think. You have a user manual, which is, pretty simple. Tells you what all the buttons do, and gives you specifications, instructions, what it includes, and all that fun stuff. You're invited to go subscribe to them so they can, constantly email you and let you know how cool they are. Or you can reach out to them and let them know how cool they are, or if you have any issues or concerns or anything like that. So customer service, always important. The sound machine is about the size of most sound machines. The speaker is clearly on the top here. On the bottom, you have your input for DC and then a cord redirect out to a little hole in the back, so that way it can sit flat. You have 4 rubberized feet, and you have all of your buttons right here across the front, including headphones in case you don't want, let's say you're sleeping with a partner, separate it so only you can hear it, and or let it output through the speaker. And you have some LED status lights that are built into it, and then you have some buttons. You have 3 main buttons here that are going to allow you to select between the options of the noises. You have your music, you have your fan noises, and then you have your white noise. And then you have a timer function, and that's for how long it's going to stay on before it shuts off. You have your volume up, volume down, and you have your power. So it's a pretty simple unit. So we have a USB to DC adapter here with a wall plug, which is good since not all of these devices come with a wall plug, forcing you have to use something from a smartphone or tablet or something, but at the end of the day, that's usually busy charging that smartphone or tablet. So let's plug this in and see what it sounds like and see if we like it. So it looks like I'm gonna guess that's white noise. It's actually pretty decent. I'm guessing it's max volume. Yep, so that's max volume. It's really loud right now, and it seems like it's definitely white noise. It doesn't seem like a fan. So we're on white noise, and we have different options, sweeps of white noise here. And if that helps you sleep. And that's reset to the beginning. We're going to turn it down a little bit so you can hear me better. You have fan noise. Which covers pretty much the average collection of fans, which are quite a few of them. So that's the end of the fan ones, which resets you back to the front. And then you have the music. You have, and by music, I mean, sound effects. You have your birds. You have ocean waves. You have a running stream, a creek, some splashing, apparently. You have some crickets there, so if camping is more of your style. You have a fire pit in case you enjoy sleeping by the fire. You have a train in case you like to travel a lot and you've grown adjusted to sleeping on a train. And of course you have the clock. And you have a thunderstorm. At least rain. Should be some thunder hopefully. There it is. We got airplane. Maybe that's a car. Could be car or airplane. And then just rain. And stream. And a different kind of stream. A dripping, in case a leaky sink is what puts you to sleep. Heartbeat, which is really good for babies. Another heartbeat. And of course, lullaby. And another lullaby. And then that's it. And you're back to the beginning. So, not bad. It has plenty of sounds for you to choose from. I mean, it's pretty good. It's a decent quality of sound as well on top of everything. I mean, the speaker puts out a pretty decent range. It's really high pitched, or it can be if necessary, and it really goes low as well. So you get that umph of the thunderstorm or the fans and the white noise and everything else that it puts out. So it's pretty good, not surprising since, so far from what we've seen from Renpho, we do like them a lot. So this is their white noise sound machine. It's simple, it's small, it's compact, it's affordable. And I believe we have a 5% discount code as well. Yes, we do. So we're going to put that into the description as well, so you'll have a link of where to find the product, 5% discount code, and there you have it. So again, Renpho, white noise machine, go check it out. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. We have that button as well as the comment section so we can all talk about this. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.